your ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Good evening and welcome to all of you here from the Mitsubishi Motors studio. My name is Thomas Klein, and as your host for tonight, I'll be presenting to you the latest edition of our Mitsubishi Motors product lineup, the all-new Mitsubishi COLT. But I won't be doing this global premiere on my own. Some of my colleagues will join me in telling you everything you need to know about this great new urban car. The COLT has been one of our most iconic nameplates around the world for decades, since it was first introduced in the early 1960s. And it's especially well known here in Europe, with 6 generations of award-winning compact models. And from today, the 7th generation. And here with me today is Frank Kroll, President and CEO of Mitsubishi Motors Europe. Hi Frank, great to have you tonight. Can you tell us, what does the all-new COLT mean to Mitsubishi Motors?
Thanks, Thomas. And first of all, it's a great pleasure to be here tonight. And to answer your question, the all-new COLT marks a very important milestone for Mitsubishi Motors here in Europe. It's the second of 2 brand new cars we launched this year. In spring, the new generation ASX has arrived in our showrooms. And with the addition of the all-new COLT, we can offer our customers a full range of products from small city cars to compact SUVs. In the small car segment, our customers can now choose between our popular Space Star and the all-new COLT, which is not only bigger, but offers also a range of state-of-the-art features in terms of drivetrain, safety and connectivity. And don't forget, COLT has always been a key model in the small car segment. The previous generation alone sold nearly 400,000 units in Europe. And as we have missed COLT for a few years, I'm very proud to say COLT is back.
Absolutely. Frank, you have touched upon a few already. So talking about the features of the all-new COLT, what does it have to offer to our customers?
Good question. I think we can say the all-new COLT is the ideal urban companion. It offers smart, modern design, both inside and out, enabling our customers to enjoy city life without any compromise. The full hybrid drivetrain ensures an agile ride. In the city, you can drive mainly in EV mode, with reduced emissions and fuel consumption. And there are plenty of innovative features, including a range of advanced safety features and state-of-the-art connectivity. And with our MultiSense, you can personalize the all-new COLT to make it your own personal driving space. And as for all of our Mitsubishi cars, our customers can enjoy peace of mind thanks to our Mitsubishi service commitment, which includes 5-year factory warranty. But our colleagues will tell you all about it in just a moment. I think our viewers can't wait to have a look.
Indeed, Frank. It's now time to reveal the all-new COLT. Fasten your seatbelts.
Ambition. Mitsubishi Motors.
Absolutely stunning. Here it is, the all-new Mitsubishi COLT. And next to me is Ruben Vela, Associate Design Director at Mitsubishi Motors.
Hi, Thomas.
Hi, Ruben. Can you tell us more about the looks of the car?
Absolutely. Today we have with us a new Mitsubishi COLT in this beautiful sunrise red color. And we will go through the details of the design of the exterior and also the interior. Starting with the front, you can identify our unique dynamic shield architecture. It's working with a series of unique design elements to communicate a robust and also sporty design philosophy, which is something you will find in all our Mitsubishi models. You can find our very iconic 3-diamond logo placed in the middle of our grille design. The striking LED daytime running lights placed underneath the headlamps, creating a very unique light signature to echo the robust and sporty feeling of the grille. Looking at the side profile, the new Mitsubishi COLT is both sophisticated and sporty, We have very powerful lines coming to the back with high shoulders, creating a robust and athletic posture, emphasizing its dynamism. We offer 3 types of wheels, and today we are showcasing these powerful 17-inch alloy wheels with diamond cut finish. Thomas, these wheels are an absolute eye-catcher, and they work really, really well with any of the 5 unique body colors that you can choose to configure your new Mitsubishi COLT. At the rear, you can find our uniquely styled tail lamps with LED technology, like the front lamps. Also, a new COLT badge and Mitsubishi wordmark to make sure that everybody sees this is the new Mitsubishi COLT. And don't forget, as for the rest of our product lineup, you can choose from a number of accessories to configure your exterior and your interior of the car.
I'm impressed, Ruben. Can you take us to the interior as well?
Of course. You know, despite its compact design, the new COLT is both roomy and modern. It offers plenty of room for 5 people, and in the trunk you will find a flexible storage panel in most of our trims to increase the capacity of storage for your essentials. With up to 391 liters, the new Mitsubishi COLT offers plenty of room for your goods. Regarding the seats, you will be able to pick up a combination from different luxury materials. Today, you can see our fabric and eco leather combination that you can find in our highest trim levels, offering the nice feel of leather without the use of animal products. It looks absolutely amazing in combination with this dark headlining, which also provides the interior with a sporty and robust feeling like the exterior. Looking at the dashboard, we can see that all the state-of-the-art tech elements are beautifully integrated. Everything is ergonomically placed and logically positioned so that you can keep your eyes on the road and your hands on the steering wheel.
Ruben, Frank also mentioned that you can personalize the all-new COLT. How does that work?
You can personalize both the interior and the driving experience in the new COLT. Using our multi-sense technology, you can choose from 8 different lighting colors for your ambient illumination. And you can choose also different driving modes, allowing you to tune the steering and the engine experience of the car. You can access all these functions through the digital touchscreen, the steering wheel, and the buttons integrated in the dashboard. So Thomas, the all-new COLT offers clearly a stylish and modern design for your urban adventure. And as I showed you, you have plenty of possibilities to configure your car and make the all-new COLT your very own.
Many thanks for your presentation, Ruben. I think all of us now have quite a clear view of the design of the new COLT, both inside and out. Now, we could already see a number of tech features in Ruben's explanation, but let's have a closer look. My colleague Mirte Beulekamp will show us some highlights. Mirte, the all-new COLT is really packed with technology. What can you tell us?
Well, thank you, Thomas. There is indeed a lot to say about all the technology on board of the all-new COLT. First of all, let's have a look at the different powertrains. Next to 2 gasoline-powered engines with manual transmission, we also have a 1.6-liter full hybrid available. This technology combines a gasoline engine with 2 electric motors and an automatic transmission. With this latest hybrid technology, you can enjoy driving pleasure whilst limiting fuel consumption and emissions. In the city, you can drive up to 80% in pure electric mode. But even if you would like to travel far, the COLT is your perfect companion. The full hybrid drivetrain enables a total range of approximately 900 kilometers. But a great drive is not only comfortable, it also needs to be convenient and safe. And that's where our advanced driver assistance systems come in. While each and every COLT is standard equipped with 6 safety systems, our top variant is fully equipped with even more advanced systems on board. The latest common safety features like traffic sign recognition, forward collision mitigation and lane keeping assist can be found on every COLT. The higher trims also offer, for instance, blind spot warning and rear cross traffic alert. With these features, the all-new COLT actively supports you in detecting objects in your blind spot. And it helps you to see other traffic while reversing the car. The ingenious Park Assist uses 12 sensors to scan and identify parking spaces and helps you to park your Colt by fully controlling the steering wheel. Front parking, rear parking, parallel parking, fully at ease and with peace of mind. But if you would like to do all of this yourself, no problem. With the Around View monitor, you have a 360 degrees view of your surroundings when you park your car.
That's really convenient. I can't wait to give it a try. But apart from safety, Mirte, connectivity and infotainment are more and more important. What does our all-new COLT have to offer?
Infotainment is indeed very important in today's modern cars. Let me give you some important examples. On the higher trims, we have a 7-inch and a 9.3-inch system available, and both of them offer wireless smartphone replication for Android Auto and for Apple CarPlay. You can operate these using the touchscreen or with voice commands. So you can easily connect your smartphone to your car. You can use your favorite apps to stream music, or you can use navigation apps to bring you to your destination with real-time traffic information. And by the way, the COLT also offers wireless charging. There are also different digital cockpit options. A 7-inch solution is standard, and a 10-inch variant can be found on the top versions. This one is not only fully personalizable, but also enables you to replicate navigation information right in front of you.
That's impressive, Mirte. So many features, but so little time tonight. But if you would like to learn more about the all-new COLT, please click on the button after this presentation to learn more at your own convenience. Despite the long list of features and technologies on board, choosing the right car is never complicated with Mitsubishi Motors. As for all our cars, we will offer you a simple lineup of well-equipped versions. And all of them come with the Mitsubishi service commitment. That means a 5-year factory warranty, 5 years of roadside assistance, and for those of you choosing a hybrid version, an 8-year capacity warranty on your traction battery. Local prices and specifications will be announced the next couple of months, so keep an eye on our website and stay tuned. This brings us to the end of today's global premiere of the all-new COLT. I believe that this compact all-rounder will be your ultimate companion for all your urban adventures. It offers modern design, latest drivetrain technology, state-of-the-art infotainment and safety features, as well as personalization possibilities. Our dealers across Europe can't wait to welcome you all very soon. Thanks for watching.
Drive your ambition, Mitsubishi Motors.